Hey everyone, it's Anna. Bienvenido otra vez a mi canal. If you're new here, what is up? Today, again, we have another one of my reviews of the cloth and paper sub boxes. I'm behind 3 boxes. I already did the July one. This is going to be the August box for October. So this is an older box, but I still want to share with you guys my thoughts on all of the items as someone who literally every month I consider canceling this thing. So let's take a look at the items. There was a lot of big items in this box, so I felt like it was a little bit more worth the price since they did increase the price. Again, I said in the other video too, I like that they are trying to not include so much plastic, but that everything is usually in just one big plastic bag so that it doesn't get damaged if it happens to rain or whatever. Let's get into everything, just taking it out of that big plastic bag. Obviously, the first item that really catches my eye is the large like plastic pouch. They call it the Snap Dust Bag. It's water resistant, sleek. They say you can use it for filing receipts, shopping lists, and other important documents in one place. I like it. I always like plastic pouches, to be honest. I just use them so randomly, so I always love receiving stuff like this. I love it. I love it. I love it. But whenever I receive the boxes, I do like to start with like the smaller items first and like the decor and looking at the page that has like information about all of the items included in the box. So that's what we're going to open up first. So first they have the member access card, which does have the little code on the back so that you can get any additional items that they included in this box. Pretty sure that's what's on the back of there. So just gonna skip over that, but here's the page that has everything that shows what's in this month's box and just like gives all the information about everything. I usually look at that afterwards. I like going through all of the items in the box first myself and then looking up the information a little bit more. First are the label stickers. Like I said, I didn't look through the rest of the box yet, so I didn't understand why this was going to come in such handy, but these I actually like a lot. And then we have the October calendar, which again, I don't always use, but sometimes I do. So this is what it looks like though once you like fold it and set it up. Then we have the monthly reflection little card. Again, I honestly hate these. I hate that they included it for every single month. I hope they stop doing this in 2025. Again, if you take pictures for like Instagram or your social media, having a mirrored card in your planner is like the worst thing. It's so weird. But so here's the pouch again. I do like the pouch. I love the color. I just always think that these style pouches though are so weird. Like, why does it open up from like every side? I don't understand that. I never got it, but I still really like it. Weird thing is, to me, all I can think about is putting like a wet bathing suit in here, and it probably wouldn't work right because it would definitely like leak out, but I love this. I love the little cloth and paper logo on there. I love the color. I do wish that the snap closures were black, but that's just me being picky, but I do like it a lot. And now for some complaining. These are the items that I cannot use right now because again, I am in a spiral bound. I'm in the cloth and paper spiral bound planner, so I can't use these. These are the A6 size for ring bound planners, and they don't give an option to receive any of the inserts as unpunched or any options for the spiral, which I think is really weird because they sell the spiral planner, but they don't include any options really for it in the sub box all year long. I think they usually do it only once a year, but these inserts are nice. I'm not using that planner right now. I still receive them because I like them, but I literally I put them in a bin like right away. I can't use these. Sometimes I try to find a way to like repurpose them and use them for a different thing. I might even punch my own holes into the side if I want to put it into my spiral planner, but for the most part, these I cannot ever use. Every single month I cannot use any of the inserts or the dashboards. So yeah. Normally, every single month, I hate the pens, but I actually love both of the pens that they included in this box, surprisingly. So yeah, I can't say much more about. I love them. They both write so well. First is the Pilot G6 in 0.5. I love how this one feels in the hand. I love how it writes. If you like a more scratchy pen, I really suggest this one. I usually love Pilot brand pens, but this one's really nice. I just like how it writes. It's not super jelly, but it's not super scratchy either. I think it's a perfect medium. And then this is the Winsor & Newton pen in the 0.3. Amazing. It writes so nicely. I love that it's so small. And I actually reach for marker pens like this a lot. So I'm really happy that I got both of these. Now we have the Financial Organizer. I love this. I think it is very nice. It looks very high quality. All of the stitching on it is done very well. I love the color. I love how it feels. I do like that it's pretty structured, but I think it's kind of large if you were to take it with you, like if you wanted to use it for like coupons or your money or whatever your list, if you're going to put it in your purse and travel with it, it's a little big for that. They have it listed as 6 tabbed folders for budget, cash, keep receipts, file bills, and plan ahead. I really like it. I think it's very well done. I love the cloth and paper logo that they have put in there. The only thing that I thought was kind of weird, I'm not sure if it was supposed to come with like the little papers to stick the labels on, but mine didn't have that. So I guess I would have to put the labels directly on the plastic parts or cut out my own little paper and then put the label on and then slide it into the little thing so that I could like change them out if I ever wanted to. But I think it's done very beautifully. I don't mind the inside is the plastic like that. I do like it. I love the stickers with it, the label stickers. I think it's great. Definitely worth the money. I would purchase this again if they had different colors. The last large item in this box is the Modern Bound notepad. I wasn't sure about this at first, but the more I look at it, the more I love it. I think this is done with such high quality. It's so nice. I just don't really have the space for it on my desk, which makes me sad, but I've been trying to find a good place for it because it is that good. It is so good. I love that they did it in the metal. It gets your handprints on it, but I mean, it's on the back. But I love that they did metal and not like acrylic. I love the little cloth and paper logo they have on there, and you can switch out whatever like paper that you have in here. It did come with what they're calling the traditional, I'm not trying to pronounce it, traditional Kakebo method of keeping your finances in order. But I love it. But so now for my overall thoughts of everything that was in this box. I think this box was well worth the price. One of the best boxes, honestly, throughout the whole year, only because of all the big items that were included. Again, I don't always use the little monthly overview calendar. And you guys know I honestly hate the monthly reflection cards just because it is a mirror. But overall, this box is so good. I'm gonna move out because you guys know, again, I can't really use these inserts. I couldn't think right off the top of my head of a way to like use this in a different way than what they have it listed as like financial inserts. They're getting tucked away and stored away. Not my favorite thing from this box. Same with the dashboard. I think it's really nice, but again, since it's got the hole punch for the 6-ring binder, I can't use it right now. So not one of my favorite items either. But the pens, both pens were so good. Honestly, I've used them more and more since I got them. They're actually some of my favorite things from the box. So yeah, top tier for both of these pens, honestly. And then we have the Financial Organizer along with the matching clear label stickers, which I do really like. I need to find something to use this for like immediately. I'm not sure if I'll actually use the stickers that came with it, but I love it. And then the notepad, love. I think I'm going to use the actual notepad papers in a different way than what they have it labeled as, like not for financial stuff, but I love it so much. That's why I show it for so long. It's so well done. And I love that you get so many pages on here too. They included a lot of pages. It's just so high quality. And then I realized I actually forgot to put down the pouch with everything that was included in the box. So obviously not exactly one of my favorite things within the box itself, but I do really like it. And I'm sure at some point in the future I will find something to do with it. But yeah, so that is everything from this box. My 3 favorite items were the pens, this notepad, and the financial organizer. Love, love, love. I know the box, I'm talking about it a little bit late, but I do plan on talking about and giving my thoughts and reviews of the boxes in the future. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of the boxes if you receive them also. Give the video a like if you did enjoy it, and make sure that you are subscribed so you don't miss any of my videos. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.